Welcome to my shop. Yes, this is another Harbor Freight parts washer filtration system video. But in this video, I'll explain the lessons I've learned from the other videos. I've reviewed several videos of modifications to this parts washer, and my plan is to use the best features of the modifications done by others. I've always used kerosene in this parts washer, but I will switch to PSC 1000. Rather than mount the filter down here low on the leg, I'm going to mount the filter up high above the fluid level to prevent the fluid from siphoning from the tank when the filter is removed, thus eliminating the need for an additional shut-off valve. I plan to keep the filter on the side of the tank rather than at the rear of the tank because I want to make the filter easy to change, and I want to be able to put the tank as close to the wall as possible. I will keep all the fittings as 1/4 inch MPT to eliminate the need for adapters. On the inside of this tank, I want to keep this right side clear, such as tubing and spigot pipes that are obstacles. I'm considering mounting the spigot back there at the far left. I like the idea of lowering the storage shelf so I can store the empty cans of solvent, but I'm concerned about the rigidity of the legs. I consider adding diagonal strapping on 3 sides to triangulate the legs, but straps on 4 sides would prevent storing the empty cans on the shelf. I plan to mount the tank onto a dolly, but I'm first going to remove the carpeting from the dolly. I'm going to include a drain valve and replace this bolt. I chose to use the Easy brand of drain valve. I don't know if it's the best choice, but it was my choice. I will include the specs I got from manufacturers of 3 of the drain valve options, so you can decide which valve to choose for your project. Here's a view of the parts I've collected for this project. The main piece is this derail 25044, which is using 1/4 inch MPT fittings, and it mounts a FRAM, or it mounts a PH8A filter. I'm using 3/8 fuel line for hose. All my MPT fittings are 1/4 inch with 3/8 hose barbs. I've got an assortment of 90-degree elbows, 45-degree elbows, and straight nipples. And here's the bulkhead fittings that I'm using that are going to go through the tank. And I got these from a place called Coyote Gear. Here's the Easy brand oil drain valve. The part number, Easy 106. And it comes with an optional nipple to mount to the end to connect a hose to drain into something, so just drain into air. I've got some plastic gaskets to supplement my bulkhead fittings, and I have a collection of 3/8 spring clamps. These are typically used in automotive and lawnmower applications, and for 3/8 they're green in color. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you the finished product and explain any deviations I've made from my original plan. Thanks for watching.